Hello friends, today we will talk about Nephelauxetic effect. So when we talk about crystal field theory, then this is the most important limitation of crystal field theory, because crystal field theory talks about the ionic interaction of bond, but in our experiments, in our Nephelauxetic effect, we saw that some covalent character is also present there in the metal ligand bond. So we will see what is the Nephelauxetic effect. This is the orbital of metal when our metal ion is free ionic state. Then these electrons are present in the lobes of the metal orbitals, and the repulsion between these two are high because it is the electron is present there, so the repulsion is high. But when the complex formation happens, then the ligand comes. The orbital of ligand comes and it will overlap with the orbital of the metal ion, and then the electronic charge is distributed over that whole cloud. So because the charge is distributed over the whole cloud, the repulsion between these two, it will be less. So the decrease of the repulsion is called the Nephelauxetic effect. So Nephelauxetic effect is nothing but the decrease of the repulsion, and during the formation of the complex is called our Nephelauxetic effect. So it is some ratio is also there which is called Nephelauxetic ratio beta, or we can say it NP. So this is the ratio between the Raka parameter of the complex metal ion and the Raka parameter of the free metal ion. So in shortly we can write it like this: beta is equals to B dash of complex and B of free metal ion. Then we will see some questions that for in between these four ligands, which ligand have the highest Nephelauxetic effect value. So the electron which having the highest electronegativity, the ligand which having the highest electronegativity, if the ligand have highest electronegativity, then it will pull that charge towards itself, and then when it will pull that charge towards itself, then the repulsion between these two lobes, it will be more or less. So the electron which have highest electronegativity, it will have the highest NP value. So we know that our fluorine has highest electronegativity, so it have the highest NP value. And when we will see here, then in between these four ions, this is bromine, in between these four ions, the bromine has lowest electronegativity, so this is it have lowest NP value. Or we can say it, when the hardness increases, then the Nephelauxetic effect value is maximum, and when the hardness is decreases, then it will become minimum. And the Nephelauxetic ratio beta, it is the inversely proportional to Nephelauxetic effect. So thank you friends.